Hey everybody, I want to show you all how to create click events in GA4. So let's head over to my GA4 account over here. Okay, you can skip that if that comes up for you. You can see here on the home page, there's one person on my site. Wah, wah. Let's head over there now. That one person is probably me on my other computer. So I have some conversion events here. I have a schedule to chat event, schedule a chat event. I've got a couple links, and I've got another schedule a chat event over here. Now what I want to do is make these links to my book, be a event, and then of course a conversion in GA4, because these are things that I would like to bid to if I ever run ads on this site. I'm going to go over here to GA4 and I'm going to click on admin, and I'm going to click on this event section and click on create event. When I'm ready, what I want to do beforehand is go to the home page and see how events flow through the platform first. So I'm going to go to view real time. Okay. We can see here in my site, so we can see where the people are coming from on my site. And let's go ahead and click on this link here to my book, becomingartificial.com. So I'm going to hold down Control and I'm going to click this link, and then I'm going to see what happens in the real-time view. So there you go. It opened up a new link. Then I'm going to go here and ignore the background sounds, guys. Then I'm going to click on click, and let's see what happens. How about this one here, link_URL. There it is, becomingartificial.com. So I want to make that an event. When somebody clicks on that link and then the link goes to this external link, becomingartificial.com, I want GA4 to pay attention to that flow, mark it as an event that I care about, and then I want to mark that event as a conversion. So let's go ahead and do that. But here's the flow, right? So the event type, it's going to be event name. You can see that here. Is going to be a click, right? And then once we establish that the event name is a click, we're going to say link_URL is the link that I want. So let's do that. What I'll do is I'll open up another tab so we can reference that logic, that flow. But you can see I'm doing all of this without modifying my website code. I'm just kind of paying attention to the flow of default events that fire with a GA4 implementation that hasn't been touched. So this is kind of a brand new GA4 implementation. And I'm just using those events. In this case, it's a click event. So let's do that. Let's go to admin, the bottom left, and then click on events, click on create event, and then click on this blue create here. And then I'm going to call it book link, right? Because this is for people who click on the link to my book. And so like we said, event name is going to be click, right? So there it is, click, event name, click. And then when we go into click, we're going to do the second step. So event name equals click. And then there's a second condition because we drill down into click. So click, and then we're going to say link_URL is the link that I care about. So becomingartificial.com. Link_URL. Yeah, you can say equals or contains. But what should I'll do contains. Contains becoming. Just check this. Get my spelling. There it is. It worked. Okay. So now I'm going to click create. Let's review that one more time. Link underscore URL contains becomingartificial.com. So let's go back here. Right, we're inside event name. Right, then we're gonna, because we clicked the link, we're gonna click on click in this case, and then what happens? Okay, well, the link URL. You can also click on outbound. That would work. But for this purpose, let's just show you link underscore URL. And there it is, becomingartificial.com. So that logic is correct. Contains becomingartificial.com. And then we're going to click on create. Good. So there it is. It's created. We're going to X out of here. And then I'm going to create another conversion event. I'm going to call it book URL. And I hit save. What's a book URL? Book link. Book underscore link was the name of it. Let me fix that. Okay. Book underscore link. That's what I called it. Now you can go back to real time and validate whether that logic that we set up as an event for GA4 to pay attention to works. You can see whether it works or not. So I'm going to go back to my site. I'm going to refresh, and now it should say one person is on the site. 2 people. Oh, okay. That's fine. Refresh, just so I can show you. Okay, 2 people. Fine. Now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click on this link and then hopefully trigger my event. And then hopefully it will also say if we've triggered the event because we've added it to the conversion section, it's also a conversion, not just an event. So I'm going to click that. So I've clicked on this text here. Now let's see what happens. We have to wait a second, but conversions by event name, it should show up here. I've already done it for my schedule a chat button. It's the same logic. So it should show up here. Sometimes it, oh good, there it is. Book underscore link. There it is, guys. So it happened once. That was just me 30 seconds ago. So there is a bit of a delay, but we can see that our logic works just fine. Book underscore link. And yeah, it should work for both of these links, right? Because the logic is the same. So becoming artificial here and becoming artificial here. Now I can track those. Do the same for this link here. So I currently work as a customer success manager at Google and teach digital marketing at Sheridan College. So if people click out to Sheridan College, that might be good to know. Might not be a conversion, but that would be a good link to track. So I'm going to do that as well. SheridanCollege.ca, that's where they're linking to. So yeah, it'd be good to report on this one, but it's not a good conversion for me because it doesn't mean a whole lot as far as use cases go with regard to my personal website. So let's do that. Let's go to admin. And I think I've memorized it. So we can go to events, then we'll create an event, click on create, then we'll call it Sheridan College link. Sort of a similar naming convention there with the word link and then underscores. You need underscores, by the way. You can't just have spaces. So event name equals click. And the condition is link URL contains, you can just say SheridanCollege.ca. Okay. Sheridan College link. Now again, right? Let's see whether that works. Pretty sure it will. Refresh. Let's go to that real-time view again. Okay, now let's click that link. So we'll click on Sheridan College here. There, I clicked it, it loaded. and we'll wait. So in this case, actually, I didn't mark it as a conversion, so it won't show up in this card. It should show up here though. Event count by event name. Schedule check. There it is. Sheridan_college_link. Very good. Hopefully that was helpful to all of you guys. And as I learn more about this platform, I will post more quick videos on how to do stuff. Okay, talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.